What is the secret for why some families build multi-generational wealth and other families lose it within one or at most 2 generations? Well, I think one of the biggest tools are multi-generational trusts, generically known as dynasty trusts. This is how smart, high net worth families leave assets for multiple generations while providing amazing protections. So smart families don't leave any money directly to their kids. If you leave money directly to your child, great, it becomes theirs. But what if they get divorced? If they commingle that money, a lot of it could be lost. If they get sued, it could be totally exposed to creditors. And even if they do well with it and grow it during their life, 3, when they pass away, if they inherit directly, it could be lost to estate or death taxes. How do you defeat this? Well, you create trusts for your kids. You don't leave a penny to them, and instead you leave it to family protection trusts, as we call them, or dynasty trusts. The money goes to a trust. It doesn't technically belong to your child. Your child can potentially be in charge of that trust, or if you're not sure if they're good at managing money, you can name a co-trustee or a third-party trustee to oversee it for them. And by leaving it to a properly structured trust, you can make sure it stays separate if your child gets divorced. It stays on their side of the family, your side of the family, and for your kids. 2, if they're sued, you've created a barrier to make it a lot harder for the bad guys to get at that money you've left for your child. And 3, all the value, subject to some limits in that trust, plus growth during your child's life, is not touched by estate taxes when they pass away. That alone can save millions of dollars, depending on what estate and death tax laws are when your child passes away 2 generations from now. And these trusts last through the lives of your grandchildren and even part of the lives of your great-grandchildren. And depending on the state you're in, it might even last longer than that. So this is how high net worth families protect assets for multiple generations. And this is the difference, and will increasingly be the difference between American families that are in an amazing place and American families where wealth is squandered and lost. Don't leave money directly to your kids. Leave it to family protection trusts, generically known as dynasty trust. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Share this with anybody who needs to see this. If your parents are doing their estate plan, make sure they set up trusts for you. You do not have to be high net worth for these to be great tools. Like, comment, subscribe, let us know if you have any questions about this.